So from the customer side, what services are available?
It's geo-specific. So for example, we'll have winterization in the Northeast and not have it down here. We'll have fuel delivery in South Florida. Maybe that's not available in every area. But so it does change somewhat based on where we are. But primarily it's fuel delivery, boat washing, mechanical work, repairs, maintenance, captains, towing memberships.
Wow.
Nathan, I think my favorite one is whatever. It says, don't see what you need, try us. So, I mean, and that's great. In the world of boating, you just never know what's going to be tossed your way. So, having that opportunity, just, hey, something happened. I lost a couple fenders or something like that. What can I do? I mean, it's great to have that option.
And that's a big one, Kelly. The MarineMax stores get a lot of requests for parts orders through the app. Mm-hmm. So that's another one. And the app also allows us to communicate more directly with the customers. So we can send push notifications about an event or a hurricane approaching, or prior to the recent events in Texas, we were able to alert them that there was a freeze coming, and if they needed help with their boat, we could reach out to them. MarineMax Sail and Ski sent that out so that they could take care of their customers.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
That we were just talking with our Boating Tips Live, our captains, about just the ramifications of that freeze and how fast it came through, and the potential damage that could have been done to boats, especially if they were in water.
Exactly right. And so, as soon as they knew about it, they contacted us, and we had a push notification sent out within minutes. So that's another advantage of the app. It gives you a tool to instantly communicate with your customers. And on the customer side, it gives them a chance to connect with the stores when it's convenient for them, not necessarily when the store's open. So something like 40% of our orders come in after hours.
Yep. When customers actually have time to think about boating, and it's I don't know if you've ever been in a situation where the night before you're like, oh crap, we're going out on the water tomorrow, and I need some ice, or I need something done with my boat, and you could just text it over to the team and be like, hey, can we have this ready for tomorrow? And I'm sure that it allows you to do so. Yeah,
it does. And MarineMax St. Pete actually has done a wonderful job at their marina of rolling some of that out. So, you can order ice through the app. You can order fuel delivery. So in the, prior to the app, customers were taking a 3-mile trip or something to the gas dock. Now, before they get to the marina, their boat's fueled up and ready to go.